Can you tell us about yourself?
I graduated from S1 Management from Kanjuruhan University, Malang, with a construction I in finance during college. I learned a lot about financial statement, ratio analysis, as well as basic transaction. I am interested in the accountant position because I enjoy the work that requires high accuracy, structure, and responsibility in managing financial data.
What experience do you have that is relevant for this position?
I have been a treasurer in college and high school organizations, where I was responsible for the financial report of the activities.
What did you study in college?
Uh, I studied first concerns such as financial management, accounting fundamentals, budget and management, and financial statement analysis. At top, I'm a not from an accounting major. Accounting and finances foundation remain an important part of my curriculum, which is very relevant for this job.
What do you see as your strengths?
I'm Milchus, neat in record keeping, and used to working with numbers. In addition, I'm also a fast learner, so I am confident that I can adapt to the accounting system that the company uses.
What do you think of our advertisement?
The site is quite informative and reflects the professionals of company. I was interested to read about the company value and the achievement of its finance team. Perhaps more insight into the work culture could be added so that applicants can get to know the company better.
What attracted you to this position?
I want to build a career in finances and accounting. This position is an excellent first step for me to learn directly in the field and develop my compositions in the area.
How would you coworker describe you?
They usually say I'm responsible, come under pressure, and recoverable from administrative and financial work.
What projects did you work on in your last position?
During my internship, I was entrusted with creating daily cash flow reports for the financial manager. I also managed to create a more conscious and easy to understand financial recap format for the cashier department.
Which university did you attend and why did you choose it?
I chose Kanjuruhan University of Malang because although it is a private university, its management study program is not general when compared to other universities.
How do you usually approach new projects?
I will start by understanding the objectives and structure of the work, look for reference of slides, and ask questions if necessary. I prefer to take notes on technical matters so that I can review them if I encounter similar concepts.
What do you know about our company?
I know that this company has a good reputation in the field of accounting of financials, record-keeping and implements a modern financial system. I also read that the company is open to employee development and professional training.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time?
I want to be a professional and confident financial staff of accountant. and have extensive experience in preparing financial reports and financial analysis for managing discussion making.
What are your salary expectation?
Based of my research for an entry-level accountant position is the region I will expect around 2,000.
Are you willing to be post out of
Maybe,
town or
however,
overseas?
I am open the adjusting to the company policy.
How do you deal with stress or work pressure?
I usually divide my work into smaller parts to make it more structured. I also maintain communication with my homeworks to avoid misreading when under pressure.
Why did you leave your previous job?
I don't have any regular work experience yet, but I've had an internship and would like to start a career in finance on the full-time professional basis.
What made you interested in applying of this company?
Because this company not only emphasizes on work result, but also on employee development. In addition, the industry is very dynamic and interesting for me, who wants to learn a lot.
How did you find out about this job vacancy?
I got this information from the company official website and also from job portals such as LinkedIn.
If your coworker make mistakes, how do you respond?
I will talk to them nicely, suggest improvement, and I still help solve the problem together so that I does not affect the team.
Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I would like to know if there are any specific training program of internal certification that the company offer for financing staff, and what is the career development path for this position. Thank you.